Red Flanders lost his pants again at Silver Dollar City by them pesky ball knobbers, and we're on the search for it.
He just can't keep those things on, can he? Well, anyway, stick around to the end of the video to see if we help Red Flanders out or not. Let's come with us. Hey guys, wanted to interrupt this video to let you guys know that we are affiliated with Hoka shoes. If your feet are hurting or from walking around, standing in line a long time, these shoes are perfect for theme parks. We wear them all the time when we go.
They're excellent from walking 10,000 steps a day to just standing in these long lines. They are perfect. They are the go-to shoe for us for sure, and we hope that you enjoy them too.
Yep, and they keep our feet fresh and ready to go when we are walking, or even if you want to use them for running as well, they are solid shoes. So anyway, click the link in the description box below to get yours today. It really helps us out, bring quality content to you guys. So, all right, let's get back to the video. So as many of you guys have probably seen from last year, Silver Dollar City had a scavenger hunt for Red Flanders pants. You could go find them at the old fire in the hole. If you haven't seen that video, that's right here. But they have got a new one now, and we hear that it might be a little bit harder. So we're going to show you guys where you can find it and start it at. It is not as obvious as it was the first time. So as you walk into the park, you will come up to this sign, actually, right here. And it says, "Wanted. Be on the lookout for those notorious no-gooders, lightning fires, and stealing pants." So to help, you use your newfangled contraption. Text FIRE to 41274 for the first clue. And as you saw as I was walking up, Ashley is currently doing that. Sorry, getting used to this new gimbal, guys. So.
Okay, so when you text, it sends you another text message with a link.
Sends another text message for the link.
And basically, clue number 1 is head over to the one room where lessons are learned. So it's schoolhouse.
You think it's the schoolhouse? Yep. All right, so we think the first clue is going to be at the schoolhouse, which is that over there?
Yep.
Okay, we are going to head over there. So we have made it here to the schoolhouse, which is right behind the church. So it's the Oak Trail School number 3, and as you guys know, that the school back in the 1800s used to be one room, but it doesn't seem that we can go in.
A clue.
But Ash has found a clue.
Okay, so it says the same thing as before, but this time you have to scan it. So
Okay.
let's see.
So she's scanning.
Scanning. All right, number 2. The letter is B. Visit the space where furniture is made.
So that would be the new furniture store.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, so let's head to the furniture store.
Okay.
Something many people don't realize is that Silver Dollar City actually has some really amazing views at this park, especially this one. This is one of my favorite little views at the park to just sit and relax. I just like the sound of the running water and everything, and it just looks really pretty. So, but that being said, if you do this scavenger hunt, you'll be able to see many views like this and take your time. So anyway, on to the furniture store. American Plunge is going splashdown in 3, 2, 1. Here we are at the newly opened furniture store, Heartland Home Furnishings, handcrafted furniture, and we're not sure where the new clue could be at. I doubt it is inside. And I doubt it would be on this side of the building because there's not really any way to walk up to it.
Let's put it in the demonstration area.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, well, it is where things are made, you know. So let's go see what we've got here. It looks like they've taken the glass windows out for the demonstration stuff for the furniture.
Maybe they're getting closer to opening it up.
Maybe they are. So,
I found a clue.
think I see a clue.
A clue. It's like Blue's Clues.
It's like Blue's Clues. Oh my gosh.
Sign says the same thing this time around.
Yep, signs will say the same thing.
Okay.
So we had B for the first letter.
Yes. This one's U. clue number 3.
Be
Find,
you.
yeah. Find the porch where the authentic Butterfield stagecoach resides.
The Butterfield Stagecoach.
The only stagecoach I know is by the photo place.
By the Frodo place.
Yeah, where you can take the old time photos that are black and white.
Ah, yes, you might be right.
I think I am.
There is one down there. So we will see you guys down there. I think that's outside Fried Fancy's right over here around the corner.
Across the road,
Across the walkway. Yep. Okay, see you over there. All right, so we have made it to Ashley's Antique Tintype and Photos.
Did you guys know I had a store here?
She didn't. It's the wrong Ashley to say, but I don't see a clue on this porch.
Let's keep going towards the stagecoach.
Oh, the stagecoach.
Yes.
Yes, it's over here. Stagecoach is over here. I also want to say I am sorry about the little glare that I had in the middle of the video just a minute ago. Well, there is a porch over there, and there's the Butterfield stagecoach. I guess there was something on the lens that I didn't notice, something really small. It's crazy how stuff messes with that. And
A clue!
another clue.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna scan this one and find out. So we have the letters B and U so far.
Scanning. Okay. G is the next letter.
Bug.
So, clue number 4. Take the path less traveled, the new shortcut from Rivertown to the fire district along Silver Lake.
The new shortcut. Is that walking along
The lake?
or is that the path next to Mystic River Falls?
But it says the new shortcut from Rivertown to the fire district along Lake Silver.
So that would be right next
Yeah.
to Mystic River Falls. Okay.
Let's go over there and see.
Let's go over there. So this passageway is kind of hidden. And as you can see, the queue for Mystic River Falls is over here to the left.
The shortcut.
But the shortcut to the fire district, as it says there, is this way. We noticed this last year during Christmas time, actually.
It is pretty the lake is over there, Brady.
It was. Yeah, look at the lake, guys. Look how pretty Lake Silver
It's
is.
a great view of the fire district, too.
It really is, actually. Let's get past these trees. Since everything is luscious and green now in the springtime.
I spot a clue!
And Ashley spies a clue up in front of us, but
A
before we
clue.
get there, we're going to get a look at the fire district. My gosh, it looks so much better with the new fire in the hole back there in the back.
Absolutely.
It looks incredible. What an incredible shot and view we've got here. So, okay, all right, gonna move on down here to the new clue that we just found.
Man, if you went the other way, you'd miss it.
I know, and it's right here on this fence. So, we are scanning away.
Scanning. Okay. Secret letter is S, so it spells bugs.
Bugs.
Visit the newest shop in town, Red approves.
Newest
So we
shop
need to
in
go
town.
to Red Flanders.
Flanders Dry Goods?
Dry Goods, yes.
Okay, so we're gonna head over to Flanders Dry Goods and see what we've got over there. Maybe that's where the clue is at.
Maybe.
Or it does say something Flanders over there.
Do you want to try that first?
Let's check the fire in the whole area first. So something we actually realized was that Bugs is one of the characters, one of the Bald Numbers names actually, and he is an OG like from the first time the old fire in the hole was put in, and he's back in the new fire in the hole. So
He's
that's
kind of cool looking in the new one.
He is kind of cool looking and kind of creepy too, but hey, who knows? But we think this might have something to do with fire in the hole, aside from it being Red Flanders pants, obviously. But we think that may be where his pants are, is on the outside. So we'll see. So the facade outside of the new fire in the hole is Flanders Clothers, and there is also a Flanders Dry Goods. But it says, I don't see any clue on the outside here. It says Bald Knobbers have set the town on fire. There's a trouser sale, plaids, but I'm not seeing any
No clues.
sort of clue.
I think our first guess was correct.
I think our first guess might have been correct as well.
But we didn't have to backtrack just in case.
No, we don't have to backtrack just in case. But we will be heading to Flanders Dry Goods. Now, however, if you would like a replica pair of red Flanders pants, there are some right here outside for $29.99. So don't forget that. All right. Anyway, we're going to head this way out of the fire district to see if we can't find this next clue. Before we go see that next clue, we're going to see how long the line is for fire in the hole. So you can actually see the end of the line right here. And as I said about these trees earlier at the opening, that they're going to provide some good shade in the future. However, it says a 65-minute wait on the app. I think it might actually be a little bit longer, unless they've got more trains going that we don't know about. But we are going to skip riding for now because we've got to find these pants before the bald knobbers take them for good. So we have made it here to Flanders Dry Goods, and we pre-scanned the building and can't seem to find anything. So maybe we're wrong? Is there another
There's not
shop?
anything else.
No, there's nothing else with Flanders on it or anything.
Brady, is that some pants in that tree? I can't tell.
There are some pants hanging in
We
there.
found it.
Maybe.
Let's go.
Let's see. Let's go over here and find out and see. There's a sign right there.
Yeah, it is.
That is a sign that says, "Congratulations, you're hot on the trail." But those aren't red Flanders pants, I don't think.
It's on.
No, that might be somebody else's. Looks like the guy in the photo right there on the right.
Yeah, it kind of does look like him.
There is a QR code there at the bottom. So we're going to scan that.
In a second.
Here in a second. All right, she's going to get in there, scan it.
I got it.
All right, what do we
Okay.
got here?
It says you found
Those
red
are,
Flanders
they've
pants.
changed his pants.
Congratulations. Now that you've collected the secret letters, answer the following question to get your reward. The sheriff is working overtime to catch the criminals. Can you help by identifying the call man the bad guy goes by?
The call name the bad guy goes by.
So it's Bugs.
Check answer. So type it in. Type in
Oh,
Bugs.
okay. Oh, this is kind of fun. Bugs. You solved it. Thanks for playing. Visit the new Flanders Dry Goods located near the entrance of the newly expanded fire district to get your reward. And while you are there, don't miss your chance to pick up the new Fire in the Hole gear. So should we go back
Awesome.
down to the shop and see what we get?
Well, it's actually right there. So yes, we should
All
go to
right.
it. So all right, we'll see you inside and see what our reward is.
What you get is, drum roll,
Da-da-da-da-da.
tape.
Awesome.
That is. What you get is a sticker.
Awesome.
And it's
Awesome.
worth $5
Cool. At the
off
shop.
a $20 purchase in this shop.
Okay.
And because I like you so much, I'm going to give you another one just for grins.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Awesome. Thank you,
Sure.
sir.
Thank you.
So we have found red Flanders pants, and as you guys just saw, we got a couple stickers. Actually, one of them even doubles as a $5 coupon.
Coupon.
Yep, coupon. So on a purchase of
$20.
$20 or more,
That's a good
right there.
Pretty good coupon,
It is
honestly.
a pretty good coupon, actually. And then, like, the wanted poster peels off as a sticker. So we will.
It has bugs on it, too.
It does have bugs on it too. If you guys here, be there, nice and close. There's bugs. Hopefully it focuses. There it goes.
There you go.
There we go. We got that. And then we also got another sticker that says, "I found red Flanders pants.
I
Missing
think that
since
was
72."
the same as like the last one.
It is, but it's a different color. I think the last one was like yellow or something. I don't know. I don't remember. If it's different, let us know. Comment below. Let us know. So yeah. Anyway, so
was
that's how you
fun,
guys.
actually,
It was
wasn't it?
actually kind of a lot of fun. We got to see some different locations compared to the last one that we did. And that being said, guys, if you guys want to do this as well, you now can use our video as a focal point or guide to find red Flanders pants on your own and help get yourself $5 off 20 or more at Flanders Dry Goods. So anyway, that being said, also if you guys want to keep up with more of our Silver Dollar City videos, tips, tricks, ideas, guidance, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button
so that you guys don't miss any more of our theme park news, adventures, or anything else. Also, feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and even TikTok. We even put some answers, and we will respond to you guys on there as well. And don't forget to comment below with any questions you guys might have on this video as well. We love to help people out and talk about the parks that we're filming in that video that day. Yeah, we love it. We love to contact you guys and see you guys and help you guys out any way you can, especially if you are even planning a theme park trip. So anyway, that being said,
bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.